Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on and off Assistive Ball on Motorola Moto G52. Let's go! So guys, all you need to do is go to settings, then you go to here, accessibility, then you scroll down a little bit, accessibility menu, and you allow it. You got it, and now all you need to do is, here is Assistive Ball, as you can see. You just need to press it, and we can put the volume down, like this. You will see better. Volume up, volume down, brightness down, brightness up. You can see recent apps. We can turn off the power, but I won't be doing that. You have quick settings. You can see notifications. You can take a screenshot. Here is Assistant Google, as you can see, and I can lock screen. Thank you guys for watching. That's all for today's video. Have a good day. Goodbye.